Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. I will explain about BTC. What is the next scenario? What we can next moment here, guys. I already posted in Twitter. You can go check it out there. Yesterday we have a live trade, and this is the bigger support level, guys, and this is the strongest resistance level. Just one shot. I already informed to you have to sell one shot here. Completely who captured this moment here? That's so great, right? So this is a super support level. Yesterday I already make a live video. You can go there. This is SL hunting only. This we can keep buying here. 68 level, 68 500, 103 downside again, and moment we can see upside, right? So it is the mother trend line already breakout here. You can see this continuously. If it's fall, this one breakout. If it's breakout again, strong level, you can see downside here 61 400 level. So what we need to see here, if you see this the area, so this area actually, this area, one is possible to go downside 66 700 and movement upside 68 200. That's the level. And you will see W pattern and you can see the up movement again. If it's not break, this come down again, this will be happen. So this is actually the trend line. Mother trend line already continuously fall. If it's go up movement again, it is possible to moving market downside. So we just need to focus on a selling. If you want to buy, just you can buy here to here. Okay, that's it. So the scenario, we just only be focus, still have be able keep buying position till not break this support level, and we just need to focus just buying. And other short positions, we just short after 66 700 when you break that one level again. So we have to keep our selling. So you can go with the yesterday we already posted our video in YouTube channel. You can go there and check it out our live video. And there is everything what we are posted, what we are shared for everyone, right? Everything is perfectly. So this is the level, this is the resistance level, this is support, this is support, this is resistance level. This is the bigger. If it's market inside this market, we can buy and sell also, right? If it's break that downside and we can sell, if still have upside we can buy, but still it's already break out the mother trend line, so we just need to focus most of the things only selling. But one shot you can keep your buying 68 500. When you break out that support level, we can't sell, we can't buy. So just 67 700, this the bigger, 66 700, this the bigger support level. If again are retesting their point, we have to buy but still have upside. So this is areas, guys. So we just to have to buying this area, this to this, and down again, and this one. Okay, well, thank you so much, guys. I hope you can go with you to your Twitter channel. We posted everything free there, all the signals and everything. Go there and check it out, all the things, right? This is 1 hour. I will show you in 4 hour time frame also. When you see in 4 hour, you will be see the clear picture. What he try to say, this is the clear picture. Breakout downside, this is a good fall to come downside. This one is the bigger trend line, bigger mother trend line. It's possible to retest this one trend line. So it is possible. So let we check, guys. Maybe we can reach easily there, but try to break this support level first, and after we can see downside. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you like our videos. Go and subscribe and follow our channel, and also Twitter channel. You can go there. Everything we posted, free signals there for everyone. Thank you.